Imagine waking up in a new city. When you step outside, your first goal is usually a simple one, figuring out how to get from where you are to where you want to go. We start by greeting our driver. Saying hello, and then "there are two people" clearly tells the driver exactly who is coming along. Next, you name your destination. You can do this by saying, "I want to go to the train station." It is a short, clear instruction that helps the driver understand you perfectly. Before you wait, you confirm the details of your ride. You might hear, "A car is coming in 5 minutes," and see that it is a white Toyota, number 555. Stating your destination and checking the car number are small, practical steps that help you start exploring a new place with confidence. Soon, you arrive at the busy train station. Here, you need to buy a ticket for a specific time. This diagram shows how we put a sentence together at the ticket counter. We start with a number like 2, add the word tickets, and finish with please. Once you ask for the tickets, you can say where you want to sit. Asking for one window seat and one aisle seat helps you have a more comfortable trip. Finally, it is time to pay. Asking, "Can I pay by card?" before you buy anything makes sure the station accepts your payment. Using this simple pattern, the amount plus a polite word, is the key to getting your tickets and moving on to your next stop. By the afternoon, it is time to pick up some food. At the market, you might look for milk in the dairy section or find the butter right next to the cheese. When you have everything, you go to the checkout. The cashier will tell you the total cost, saying, "That will be $50, please." It is always smart to check what you are paying for. You can do this easily by asking, "Can I see the receipt, please?" Look closely at this receipt. It shows the bread costs $10, but you saw a price tag on the shelf for only $2. When you see a mistake like this, you can point it out by saying, "Excuse me, I think there is a mistake." Watching the numbers and asking about the price ensures you pay the correct amount every time. After your errands, you might head to a restaurant to sit down and eat. This diagram shows how one phrase helps you order anything. You start with "I would like" and just add the name of the food or drink you want, such as the spaghetti or an orange juice. When the food arrives, you can show you are happy with the meal. You might say, "It is delicious," or tell the server it smells very good. When you are finished, you can get the attention of your server and ask, "Can we have the bill, please?" The phrase "I would like" is a helpful tool you can use at any table in any restaurant to get exactly what you need. Sometimes the weather changes your plans. When heavy rain hits the window like this, you cannot go to the park as you planned. It is okay to say how you feel about it. You might say, "I am very sad," or "We cannot go outside today." But you can always find something else to do. You can say, "Do not be sad," and suggest something cozy, like, "Let's watch a funny movie." You can still have a great evening inside. Saying, "Happy birthday," and "Here is your present," turns a rainy night into a special moment. When you receive a gift, saying, "Thank you so much," and "It is perfect," shows your friend that you appreciate their kindness. Using these simple English words helps you manage your day, handle small problems, and enjoy your time with the people you meet.